Want to make your WhatsApp group announcement only, like where members can read messages but only admins can send them? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now open the group where you want only admins to send messages. Once you are inside the group, tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open the group info page. Scroll down and look for the group permissions option, then tap on it. Here you will see a setting called Send New Messages. Turn off the toggle next to the Send New Messages option. That's it. From now on, only group admins will be able to send messages in this group. Regular members can read messages, but they won't be able to send any messages. If you also want to prevent members from changing the group name, description or photo, go back to group permissions and turn off this setting. And that's how you can make a WhatsApp group where only admins can send messages. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any problems. Thank you.